Hey, it's Mr. Woodard. I finally got the kids asleep, so I decided that I would take that time to just make a video about 2 and 3 digit addition. If you have anything else that would be helpful for me to show you how we've been doing it in class, feel free to let me know. But if you're a parent, hopefully this is helpful. If you're a scholar, hopefully this will remind you of what we've been doing and give you a place to start. So, all the things that we do in class are supposed to help us mimic the way that we might do things in our head and to conceptually see why it is that we do what we do in math. So hopefully this helps make just a little bit more sense. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is show you an example of a 2-digit addition. And I'm going to show you the first technique that I would like you to use because it's something we've practiced a lot. And so this is going to be the easiest way because it's going to get 2 birds with 1 stone. And I'll show you what I mean. We're going to solve using a vertical algorithm as well as a place value chart. So on this side, we're going to have our vertical algorithm, and on this side we're going to have our place value chart. I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 spaces because that's what we're used to with our hundreds, tens, and ones. You never know if you'll need it, even though with this one I know that we won't. To write our vertical algorithm, we're going to do 24 plus 36. So, all we do is plug each of these numbers into our place value chart and then correlate it to the vertical algorithm. So we'll start with the ones in 24. We know that in the ones place is the 4, so we do 4 chips, which just means little circles or dots. The tens place, we have 2 tens, so we do 2 chips to represent the tens. Now that we're done with this number, we can move on to this one. In the ones place, we have 6 ones, and we always draw them in sets of 5 so that we can stay organized. And in the tens place, we have 3 tens. Now all we have to do is add them up. We'll start with the ones because that's what we do in the vertical algorithm. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may have noticed over here that we know 6 and 4 make 10. We know that they're dating, they go together, they make a happy family, whatever. So we're going to circle them, put them all together, and turn these 10 ones into 1 10. 10 ones make 10. 10 ones make 1 10. The way we represent that in the vertical algorithm is by writing a 0, because right now we have no ones left, and now we've added 1 1. So we're going to put that 1 up here. At this point, we just add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 tens and 0 ones in our vertical algorithm. So, the way that I would say that's easiest for us to do this, as we remember, is with a place value chart. We just draw 3 sections, and this place value chart is going to correlate to our vertical algorithm, which has been written right here. So we start with the ones. We have 1 1. We draw 1 chip. Sorry. We have 2 tens. We draw 2 chips. 1 100. So we draw 1. And we remember that 10 ones make 1 10. 10 tens make 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. We can keep going on and on. Then to add 179, we've got 9. We always draw them in sets of 5 to help us keep them organized. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 100. At this point, we always start with the ones. We add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we know we can group these and carry them over. We can say bye Felicia to these and draw a 0 under here. But because we're carrying 1 over, we're turning these 10 ones into 1 10. We're going to write a 1 up here. Now we add the 10s together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 makes a happy family, so we can circle it. Get them on out of here. Write a 0 right there. Because we're carrying this 10 group of 10, or 10 tens makes 100. We draw a 1 to represent the fact that we carried it, and then we've got 100, 200, 300. We can do this with a lot more complicated numbers, but hopefully this gives you a little place to start, and if you have any other questions, just let me know.